Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm getting my hijama therapy for hair fall treatment. Apart from that, I've been getting this hijama treatment for last 5 years and I don't develop any chronic diseases. It is recommended that we must get hijama every 3 months in a year. I will recommend you from my personal experience and from the experience of my family members. Now you can see I'm done with my hijama and you can see they're very minor incisions. They get cured within 2-3 days and you don't need to get scared of this. If you have a good hijama therapist, like I'm getting it done at Pure Shifa, you don't have to be scared of this. And as far as how effective is hijama, I would say it's highly effective because I have examples from my personal experience and from my family members. For example, my mother, she had a very severe migraine problem, and after getting hijama therapy for migraine, and she feels much better now. And it's almost gone, I would say. My father, he had a problem in his shoulder. This on the right shoulder, he had pain for years, and after getting hijama, the pain is gone. Why we must get hijama? It's sunnah, and it's a cure for all diseases, from a minor disease to a chronic problem. We get, it's a cure for everything. According to Hadith, it's cure for like more than 99 diseases. First of all, it's part of our belief, what our Prophet said, it is true. And it is highly recommended by our beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Like we are so blessed that we have good people around who don't rob you for money, and they are very professional and they're honest in their purpose. So I would highly recommend Pure Shifa. I would recommend you to subscribe and like Pure Shifa. Thank you and have a blessed day. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.